So you want to start off this Pails rails, making sure that both hands are nice and planted into the ground to cause some support. So once you're in this position, you want to make sure that your knees are at 90 degrees. So starting off in the first Pails portion, you want to make sure that you keep pushing into the ground with this forward knee. As you create force into the ground with that forward knee, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and create tension from the opposite knee as you keep pushing down with this forward knee, and rotate as far as you can and hold and push down with into the ground with both hands. Okay, so you can even create a little bit more space. Take 6 breaths. And again, it's coming from my belly, not from my chest. And think about driving that knee back, pushing this knee down as you create force. And it's okay if you feel this hip kind of start to ache and start to activate, that's a good thing. And then once you do 6 breaths, we're going to go ahead and actually rotate and drive this knee as far back as you can. And then nice and slow, rotate to the opposite side and repeat. So again, it's going to be pushing down with this forward knee as hard as you can. Extra rotate that femur, hold, push down to the ground with both hands and both knees. Breathe. Drive, 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 drive. Keep this knee down. Push, push, push. Then rotate after 6 breaths. And reset. Okay?